Ready? Start. On being enacted by Parliament, the Consumer Protection Act 2019 was published in the Gazette of the India on 9 August 2019 by SO 2351E dated 15th July 2020, the material provisions of the Act of 2019 were notified to come into force on 20th July 2020 by SO 2421E dated 23 July 2020. Several other provisions were brought into force, with effect from 24th July 2020. The appellants instituted a consumer case before the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission on 18th June 2020. The consumer case was instituted under the provisions of the erstwhile legislation, the Consumer Protection Act 1986, the NCDRC, by its order dated 30th July 2020, dismissed the consumer case on the ground that after the enforcement of the Act of 2019, its pecuniary jurisdiction has been enhanced from rupees 1 crore to rupees 10 crores. The appellant's review petition was also dismissed by the NCDRC on 5th October 2020. In the present case, the claim of rupees 2.19 crores is below the enhanced pecuniary jurisdiction of the NCDRC. The issue which arises in the appeals is whether a complaint which was filed and registered under the Act of 1986 before the new Act of 2019 came into force, has to be entertained under the provisions of the erstwhile legislation. In anticipation of the enforcement of the Act of 2019, an administrative notice was issued by the NCDRC on 17th July 2020 to allow the functioning of its registry for fresh filing on 18th July 2020, since the new law was to come into force on 20th July 2020. The appellants are also aggrieved by the fact that contrary to the position taken in its case, other benches of the NCDRC have admitted complaints instituted before 20th July 2020. This grievance apart, the issue which arises in the appeals would turn upon a construction of section 107 of the Act of 2019, among other provisions of the new legislation, and its interplay with section 6 of the General Clauses Act 1897. The analysis of the court, despite the new legislation, will not proceed on a clean slate, for there is precedent which holds the field, that both sides rely upon the line of precedent in the unfolding of their cases, makes the interpretational task intricate. Our task will be to bring a solution that has a sense of cohesion while harmonizing presidential learning with justice. In brief, narration of the facts would assist with context. Upon the payment of an advance of rupees 3.50 lakhs on 25th November 2011 by the appellants, the respondent provisionally allotted a residential unit in a real estate project described as houses admeasuring a super built area of 114.27 square meters, which was being developed by the respondent at JP Greens, Noida. The total consideration was fixed at rupees 56.45 lakhs and possession was intended to be conveyed within a period of 42 months from the execution of the agreement of the provisional allotment letter. Full stop. The appellants have stated that between December 2011 till date, they have paid an amount of rupees 53.84 lakhs out of the total consideration of rupees 56.45 lakhs.